Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to our live trading session for today. Um, so, as usual, this is the session where I'll be making analysis and then we'll possibly, place trades together, right? So, I'm currently looking at GBP, JPY, and I've already made the analysis down, right? So, I made quite an analysis, made others also, but I think some has already even started playing out. So, look at this one. Okay, so I was hoping that we're going to be able to take this together, but we started playing out even before we started the live session for today. So, but no worries, we still have this, we still have quite, we still have few. So we have this, right? We have this also. So I'm currently looking at this. I'm waiting for this to get triggered, and then we just sell. All right. So guys, tomorrow is we have a non-farm payroll news coming event coming around tomorrow. Okay, that's a big you know economical factor that is going to affect the US dollar. Okay, so it's either going to affect it positively or negatively, but tomorrow we are going to be anticipating it. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to be trading it together as usual. All right, you guys know our usual news trading days. So tomorrow is one of the days. So guys, go and get your account ready. Okay, fund the account. Start funding your account today. All right, fund up to $15. Okay, so now I have even made it easy for you guys. If you fund up to $10, you are qualified to join my premium group for 15 days. Okay, that is half of a month. But if you fund up to $15, you'll be there for a month. Guys, you see the difference? If you are thinking what I'm thinking, you will definitely go and fund $15. All right. But now, I know they're your pocket. So any amount you think you are okay with, please go and fund your account. It's very important. Okay. So there, I'll be giving you a signal. I left about 2 trades yesterday that went into profit. The other one didn't, get triggered. The XAU USD went into profit. The other one I left also went into profit direct. Okay. So guys, go and fund your account. Let's make this money together. All right. Let's make the money together. So that is the few options I'm currently looking at. Okay, so I didn't make analysis from this, and it's respecting this other block. All right. So guys, if you want to fund, um for those of you that are just joining for the first time, maybe you don't know what I was talking about earlier. If you want to fund your account, please go to the chat room. Okay, if you want to fund your account on this live stream, and it's very important you fund your account on this live stream. Okay, I've been telling you guys the benefit of funding your account with at least $10 or $15 on this live stream. So if you fund, I have a premium group where I'm going to add you, a premium group on channel on Telegram where I'm going to add you, and on that group I drop at least 3 signals per day, and from these signals we make money. You understand? So what I do is I analyze the market the same way we are analyzing on this live stream. So that is the same way I stay with the market all day to analyze and look for proper entries. So when I get proper entries, I send it to the group. Okay, and then we make money together. You understand? So here is limited. Okay, looking for opportunity in just 1 hour is very limited. So it's possible we don't find entry. It's possible we come here and then we take an entry and then it go into a loss. You understand? But if you are there, at least with 3 trades, we can't lose 3 trades in a day. Okay. even if we make profit with one or make profit in two and then we lose the other one, that's good enough. You understand? So, and even with you know, uh, my risk to reward ratio, if you make profit in one and lose the other one, you are still going to be in profit. I promise you that. All right, all right. So because I'm taking the same trade and I know when you are making profit. So guys, that is why it's very important for you to join the premium group and then come and make money with us. Come and make the dollar with us. You understand? So if you want to join my premium group right now, just go to the chat room. Okay, go to the chat room, and on top of the chat room you see a banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So click on that banner and it will take you to where you can fund your account. All right, so just fund with at least 10 or $15, but I will advise you to fund up to $15. The reason is that what is the difference between 10 and 15? It's just $5. Yeah, but if you fund $10, you are going to be in the group for just 15 days. Okay, but if you are able to fund up to $15, you'll be there for a month. Guys, make your calculation, right? So let's go on, let's go on, let's go on, let's do something. All my market are just playing out, right? So this is gone. Let me see if we can still take this. I made this analysis recently and the market is still heading to the upside. Okay, I made the analysis recently. So this is kind of, a good entry. I really wish we had, started this live stream earlier so that we could have gotten all of these opportunities. Because when I analyzed this market earlier, I knew it was a good entry. Okay, I knew it was a great opportunity to actually make good money from. And see what is currently happening inside it. You see, the market just came straight into the box and then it's going up. Okay. So the market has been going up ever since, you see. Till now, it's still going up. So um, let's just continue making more analysis and see if we can, get an entry. All right. Let's make more analysis. Let's just delete this, okay? So we have this liquidity around this area. All right. We have liquidity. We have change of character here. That's change of market direction, okay? The reason why we have this liquidity here is because look at this. The market created this low, and then we expected the market to continue to go down, but it came back to take out this low, okay, to take out this high. So we have this liquidity, and then the market started going down. So what we want to see here now is, something like this. We want to see something like this market coming all the way back to this area. So let me mark that out. Right. I want to see this market doing this. So I want to see the market doing this and then coming all the way down. Yeah. So for now, there's no opportunity here. Okay. There's no opportunity there. So it could be around this area also. Let me just put it here. All right. So we made this analysis. I think we made this analysis. We did this analysis, I think yesterday or day before, and see how the market went into profit. Okay. So let's make a fresh analysis from this and see if we can actually get a reasonable entry. Okay. Okay. So this trend line is too wide because this is the 4 hour time frame. So I'm looking for something simpler. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So most of the times, what I do is, if I can't find, an entry in this kind of trades, I just leave it. So so let's continue. Okay, so right now there's no opportunity here. What I would have loved is, this trade, this market coming back to this area and then giving us, um, a change of character. Okay, because here we see this liquidity here. We have that liquidity, and then we have this change of character. But the market never went back inside, this. We have this breaker block, we have gaps, okay, and the market is trading to the downside. So this is not a good opportunity for us to start looking for entries. So the only opportunity again that I could look out for here is if I, see this kind of setup, and then the market taking this out. So this low here hasn't, this low hasn't been taken out yet. So that's a good one. So what I want to see here is this. I want to see this high getting violated. Okay. I want to see this high getting violated, coming, breaking this and then coming back to, test a gap, right? So, okay. So if this happens, then this will be our change of character, and then the market will just come back to retest a gap, and then it will continue to go up. Okay. So this is how it's going to look like. That is if it happens. Okay. I'm not actually sure what is going to happen next in this trade because we are not really getting that, movement vibe. See GBPCAD. The movement is not showing any pattern of the market changing in any time soon. So let's just leave that and then, oh wow, 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 this is beautiful. I didn't know this has gotten triggered. I think we should sell this before it goes from our price point. So it already hit our price point. I wanted to give this to my premium members, but unfortunately I didn't know when it got triggered. See, this is one of the issues in forex. Most of the time you make analysis and then the very moment you take your eyes off it, the market just start playing out. It was one of the analyses I had made earlier. Okay, hoping to give to either my premium members or you guys. But let's just wait and see what will happen in the next few minutes. Maybe we can get a movement to the upside and then we take a sell entry, right? Or better still, I could just move my stop loss down to this area, maybe here. Since the market has already mitigated this, okay, so that means my entry is going to be around here. Take profit around here, and then we'll just see what will happen. Yeah, because we have this liquidity here also, and anytime I see liquidity in the market, it's a good sign. Liquidity is a good sign, guys. I love the way the current market is currently making its move to the upside. Oh, okay. So this is the 30-minute time frame. What is happening on the 30-minute time frame? Oh wow. You see, the market just triggered and then immediately it wants to start going down. Right? Okay. So we have a change of character around this area because look at what happened. This is the recent low after this high was created. Market came back to create a low, but it never got broken. Okay. So these are liquidity zones. And then we can use this area as our change of character because it broke it to the downside. So what we want to see here is since we have these fair value gaps, then my prediction is this market is going to come down. Okay. So let's just hope it goes back into this box and then we sell. All right. this is one of the analysis I had made earlier also. The market is still playing out, right? Euro JPY. This hasn't, started playing out yet, but let's just see what will happen in the next few minutes. Let's check on gold. Let's check on gold. Yes. So gold is currently buying. Um, okay, but since we didn't catch it from this peak here, let's just leave it. Okay. I don't want to create something that is going to take away, take too much from me. As we all know, gold is very volatile. So what we want to be looking out for is, something simple, right? So let's check the cryptocurrencies. Let's look for crypto opportunity. I love trading the cryptocurrencies also because most of the time they consolidate though, but whenever they want to make a move, they go very well and very smooth. Okay, so that is if they want to make a major move. So look at this move right here, and look at this move. When this happened, I already have my lines, okay, my resistance area, so I knew it was going to sell. I think we sold this last week also, and then the market came all the way down. Okay, we took TP around this area, but it came down anyway, right? Okay, so we have BNB USDT. Let's see if there's any major opportunity um, in BNB USDT. Okay, so this is another trade opportunity we are going to be looking out for. All right. Okay. So my guys on the VIP, our trade hit TP, yeah. So this was our TP. I increased mine this morning, okay. This was our TP. So I targeted this low yesterday, okay. When I gave this signal, I targeted this low, AUDJPY, right? So if you took this trade, the trade hit TP, guys. Okay, I targeted this low, and it came right down, yeah. So congratulations to us. All right, so let's go back down and see if we can actually take an entry from BNB USDT. All right. So you see, we have a break. This is a previous support area, and it broke there. So it's now a resistance, and the market is on resistance right now. So let's see what will happen, guys. Let's see if we are going to get a reversal candle formation. Okay. Remember what I said about reversals? When the market wants to reverse, it will give you a reversal pattern, okay, a candle formation pattern. So what I'm looking for, what I'm waiting for right here right now is a candlestick rejection or a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, whichever one it is, I'm going to tell you guys. Right. So this is the 15-minute time frame, and a new candle is already forming. So let's see what the new candle is going to close. It's going to get closed with. So guys, let's not waste our time here, okay? Let's not waste our time on just looking at a particular instrument. Let's go look for other analysis, and then we'll come back to this to see if there's a trade opportunity. Wow. Okay. All right. So I think we're going to get a good entry from here because we have this liquidity. We have a liquidity purge. So we call this a liquidity purge because it purged this high. Okay. Purge the high. And then let's use this as our last low for the liquidity. So here we have a change of character because it broke it to the downside. Instead, the market, you see, the market was making higher highs, but when it got here, what happened? The market failed to continue higher high. Just came all the way down, broke this, and then continued to the downside. So we have a gap here that I believe the market is going to, come back to. So we have these gaps. This is the 30-minute time frame. So I believe the market is going to come back here and this is what is gonna happen. Okay. All right. So we have that. We have that. That's a good entry. A very good entry opportunity because this market didn't make, they moved to the downside to touch this. So I believe it's going to come down. It's going to come back down to complete its move, you know, for this movement before it actually continues to buy, right? So let's just wait and see what happens after the closure of this candle, okay? Okay. So we still have a lot of time before the closure of this candle. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna look, keep an eye on this for later, right? So if we get an entry opportunity here, then we are gonna sell. Okay. All right. So I like that. That is done. Let's look for other markets to trade. Okay. This is the daily time frame, and the reason why I'm here is because I'm not seeing a clear pattern on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, the market is trading, and I don't know what it's trading from or where it's trading to. So you see, the market will have recently mitigated all of these areas. That is why the market came down, right? So then the market went all the way back up. Now it's retesting all of this. have that. Then we have this. Okay. So this is where the market is expected to, go down from. But this is the daily time frame. So just a candle here is, it takes 24 hours to finish printing. So the only thing we could do is, go back into the 4-hour time frame. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is the 1-hour time frame, and you see how I was able to, shorten my resistance area to see if I can get an opportunity. So now let's go back to the 4-hour time frame and see what the market is doing. Okay. So let's go back to the lower time frame. So we have this liquidity. Okay. So we already know the market is inside a resistance area. So the probability of this market coming down is very high. Okay. The probability of this market coming down is very high. But what I want to see is, a violation of this law. Okay. 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 So this is heading down. I don't think we have any gap here that the market is coming back to fill. So maybe you just want to make this retest and then continue to go up. All right. guys, let's hope to get that entry before the end of our session for today. Okay. Wow, this filled up my order, guys. Let's sell GBP, GBP, JPY, GBP, JPY. Sell GBP, JPY. Sell, guys. Let's go and sell GBP, JPY. GBP, JPY. I'm selling already. GBP, JPY. I'm selling. I'm not going to stay long in the market. All right. I'm already selling GBP, JPY. Guys, let's set take profit and stop loss. Okay. So if you can see this, enter. This is our take profit. Okay. And this is our stop loss. But if you can see it, let me call it out for all of us. Okay. So take profit first. Take profit is 180. Sorry. Take profit 180. Come on. Point 059. Okay, 180.059. That is for take profit. And then stop loss is 180.921. Right? 180.921. So I'm just going to leave this for some minutes, and then I want you guys to enter. This is take profit, this is stop loss. Okay, so let me take all of them one more time. Take profit 180.059, and then for stop loss 180.921. Okay, so once you've said that, let's just leave the trade to run. Okay, let's leave the trade to run. And guys, please make sure you are using a smaller size. Okay, oh, positions. Don't open multiple positions. Open just one position. Every trade is a risk. I'm telling you. So the most important thing is you want to accumulate. You can't pick everything just a trade, right? Even though it is $1 you make now, maybe before evening, if you are on my premium group, you definitely make money before the end of the weekend. Before the end of the week, so you definitely make money. That is why I keep telling all of you, come and join my premium membership. Come and join my premium group. I'm not even asking you to pay me for the premium group. All that is required is for you to fund your account with at least $50. So the money you are funding will still be in your account, and then we'll be taking trade together with it. Okay. placing trade with it. Right? Guys, I hope you've set your stop loss and your take profit, yeah? So let's just leave the trade to run, okay? So it's an intraday trade. It might take some time before it gets to, our take profit, okay? But most of the time, as I've always advised you guys, I don't wait until the market gets to take profit, okay? So I can close my trade when the market, maybe I start, seeing good profit, all right? So let's make more analysis before the end of our session. On our time frame, and our market is still running. Wow, 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 wow! This is beautiful. Okay. So BNB USDT is kind of currently making a move to the downside, as I've earlier predicted. You remember I said the market is currently on a resistance area, and when the market is on resistance, what happens? The market will go down. So this is a resistance area, and you see how the market is trading from the area. You see the market sold, and it's still selling. So unfortunately, we didn't take this entry because we couldn't get a proper rejection candle. I remember saying that. Okay, we didn't get a proper rejection. That is why we didn't take the trade. Remember, I told you you will not get all trade. You don't get to take all trade. All trade is not going to be valid for entry. For yeah. So sometimes you take some trade, and the other times you miss trades, right? Possibly because of what maybe the it didn't meet up your setup, right? But no worries. Even though we are not able to take an entry now, doesn't mean that we are not going to see other entries to take, right? Right. So it's making a move to the upside. Let's see if we have a fair value gap on the lower time frame where we can actually place an entry for this trade. Okay, so no, this is not. Okay. I think we should just leave that trade, all right? To just keep running. So our GBP JPY is already running. Guys, if you took this trade, very soon we are going to be in profit. Okay. Oh wow, I'm already in profit. So if you entered when I said sell, you are making profit with me right now. So let's see if we can get more setup before we end our session. All right. I think I made analysis. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. I remember they haven't started playing out yet. Haven't started playing out. So let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go see what is happening. Wow. Guys, I think I'm seeing another entry here. Uh, okay, so let's just give this a little, more time. Let's leave the market to decide. Okay, as a trader, you don't decide for the market. You allow the market to make a decision, and then you take advantage of the decision the market has made. You don't make the decision for the market. If you do that, it's going to boomerang. Right? So this is going back into our POI. Let's see if it's going to start, if it's going to sell again. So let me go to the lower time frame and see if we have um, maybe, okay, so we have this gap, but it's filled up. We have this. So we don't have any good entry around this area. Okay. So let's see what happens here. we have a little gap around this zone, around this area. This is the 5 minute time frame. It's not going to take too much time to get whatever is going to happen next. So it broke that. I think we have what else? Okay, we have other block. So let's see if it's going to respect the other block. Let's just see if it's going to reverse from anywhere around this area. All right. So guys, um, oh wow, Euro JPY. Yeah, I remember I was waiting for this entry also. So this should be here. But the thing now is this is not yet a good confirmation because I have this gap here, I have a fair value gap here, and I have this breaker block. So I'm waiting for the market to actually come into, this. So I don't believe what is currently happening right now. The market will actually take out liquidity here, come to this area before it drops down. Okay. So guys, please um, keep an eye out on the trade. Okay. So when you start getting good, profit, please make sure to secure your profit. Okay. So right now, I believe that the market is running in profit already. Okay. So guys, please make sure to secure your profit when the market gets to some certain point. You understand? The market doesn't wait for anybody, right? The market will not tell you when it's going to go up or it's going to continue to go down, right? So what I do is when I start seeing good profit, I close my positions. Okay, I'm a kind of person that loves opening multiple positions, but I do that because I have enough fund, right? I have enough capital. So, but as a beginner, if you don't have enough capital, maybe you have below $50, please stick to just one um, one position. Okay, don't open too many trades, right? So guys, please let's be guided. So we have another class coming up as usual, around 7 p.m. in the evening. Make sure you don't miss that session, all right? So on that session also, since we are already in the phase of, making analysis now, we can look for opportunities there and possibly take a trade, all right? So I'll see you guys in the evening session. Bye for now.